is Rishabh. I'm from Bangalore and I'm with this academy from past 8 months as a student. And yes, from past 8 months, I have learnt a lot. And now I'm here to share one of my experiences which changed my whole life. Where I got recommended in my fourth attempt from 12 SSB Bangalore for INET entry. So I would like to share my experience how it changed from being a three-time repeater to fourth-time getting recommended. As from beginning with my first attempt to my fourth attempt, I could see a lot of differences in myself, and which was easily noticed by my family, my friends, where they used to keep on saying, "Yes, you have been in a progressive way." That I would like to add upon saying it is all because of Commander Vikram Rajan sir, where he clearly taught me, showed me the way, guided me throughout, and never hesitated and never ignored any of our calls, not just mine, to all students, and many will be knowing that. So he's always there saying that, yes, it's your slot. And one thing I would like to add upon, the first time when I met him, I was a person where I used to think a lot about SSB. So I graduated in 2019. So what I thought was, okay, working elsewhere, work in a corporate life and seeing through, thinking that, okay, SSB is something which I have to concentrate more and I had to keep a special time, special routine. So I just kept these things and it affected my whole concept about SSB. I used to be afraid of SSB and I used to, meanwhile, again, be happy when I get a call up letter. So I used to prepare only when I receive a call up letter. That was the first mistake which I did from my first attempt to my third attempt. So meanwhile, in my first attempt, it all started with pretty much being overconfident, and I used to be like, okay, when my friends around me used to say that, Rishabh, yes, you can do it, it's all in your hand, you can do it, no issues. But yes, that dragged and that gave me some overconfidence where I used to be like, SSB, okay, it can be cleared easily. First attempt, yes, I got conferenced out. Sort of 380 people who appeared for screening in process in Kaputala, 34 got in, and yes, I was conferenced out in my first attempt, and that hit me very bad. So it happened last year, November, and I used to be like, okay, now what? I started feeling myself that, okay, this is going to be hard and it's not going to be easy for me. That's when I met Rajan sir. After my first attempt. So Rajan sir just told me what I did wrong in my first attempt, where in my psychology test, I used to have very big stories which affected the next story. So suppose my first story is taking more time, it's affecting my second story. So this happened in my psychology and it carried out. And in my in my psych test, again in WAD, I used to leave at least 5 to 8 words in WAD. So again, that also hampers. And SRT, I started focusing on my handwriting and quality, and I could do only around 36 37 without seeing the denominator 60. And SDT, though, yes, again, it was something again which was very bad. So yeah, it was about psychology. And coming to GTO, I was clueless. I didn't know what has to be done in PGT. I was conceptually very wrong in PGT and HGT, be it command task and full group task. Something which was in my hand was again GD, GP, where I used to be part of group, and I used to interact with them, discuss with them. But again, I was not satisfied with my performance in my first attempt. Coming to my interview in my first attempt, it didn't go well. Where it went for around 85 minutes. It didn't go well, and I was blank most of the times. I was thinking, okay, what am I doing? And I was in such a situation where I was out of words because I was not prepared. So this was my first experience. Now let me just take it out from second and third experiences, which was same mistakes which I repeated in the second and third attempt, where I used to be focusing only on majorly about the thing which I did bad in my previous attempt. So I focused only about my psych test and few PGT, HGT, and I did well in that in a second and third attempt. To be very frank, I did well in that, but other aspects about GTO, which I couldn't make it out. So this was a whole perspective when Rajan sir mentioned, this SSB Dux Academy mentioned that, yes, it's not just about SSB, it's your personality. So when this word personality came into my head, everything changed. I didn't prepare for SSB just for SSB again. So it was like, it was my whole life where I used to work, balance my routine, and again prepare for SSB. Prepare for SSB in such a manner that I started reading more about GK, general knowledge. And yes, meanwhile I'd given my INET exam. So I cleared my INET exam. So I was waiting for a call-up letter throughout the lockdown. Majorly, in our academy, in this SSB Dux Academy, we have got a WhatsApp group where we keep sharing whatever we learn, and we also conduct Zoom classes, and we also interact, which boosted up my confidence. It gave me a it's like we discussing about certain points, and we have got 8 people participating in the discussion. I used to get around 80 to 90 different versions of the same topic. So this happens every Friday, and we used to be part of this every Friday. That helped my performance, go good in my 4th attempt. And not just my 4th attempt, I feel my 3rd attempt also went really well. Maybe we tend to do mistakes when we are over excited, or you can say we are cautious about this word SSB. We tend to do mistakes. That happened in my 3rd attempt, and I made sure that in my 4th attempt I changed everything. I just listened. I just wanted to focus more on my personality. I just followed the guidance given by Commander Vikram Rajan sir. To be very frank, in my 4th attempt, these were my mistakes, as I mentioned. Now coming to my 4th attempt, the first thing which I did was in my 4th attempt, when I was preparing for it, I said my SSB date was so and so, and 12 SSB Bangalore, and my family used to be like, okay, you're giving your 4th attempt, okay, this is going to happen, you're almost 22 to 23. So yes, obviously when I took up a stance that I'm going to be in armed forces, yes, be it whatever it takes, we need to be focused towards that. And Rajan sir never changed my personality in other way. This academy gave us such opportunity that they trained on me. They didn't train for SSB. Where, to be very frank, Rajan sir taught me from pen to PIQ. So this is a pretty strange word, pen to PIQ. Because the psych test which I gave it in SSB Dux, the pen which I used to give the test had a different version. It used to make my answers and my stories look big, and which used to be like a scrappy way of writing. And sir guided me to how to write, to use which pen. That's the minute thing which I would like to add up on here. Which pen to be used in psych so that your handwriting goes neat. And again, it depends on definitely how I write. And coming to PIQ, pen to PIQ, yes, PIQ we all say it's the whole SSB, because psychologist doesn't see us and they just see your PIQ, and interviewer sees and questions you only from your PIQ and your personality. And GTO, most of the time they have it or they don't have it, it's about our task. So sir taught me from pen to PIQ, and it helped me. And yes, people used to ask me, what is the secret of getting screened in? Always. I've given 4 attempts and I've got screened in 4 times also. The secret was, yes, I was also again given by sir a small insight about how to write a story. Not just about the story, and how to behave in a group discussion in my stage 1. So that helped me from stage 1. And again, coming to that, in our academy, SSB Dux Academy, we also attend free PPND session on every Monday. So I get to meet a lot of people. And discuss. Yes, there are few people who are pretty much good at communication skills, and few people coming up with good stories. Yes, we get to exchange stories and we get to meet different personalities. So yes, I attended all PPNDT sessions, and it was completely free for all the members of the academy, and I capitalized it. And yes, that's one of my secret of clearing stage 1 every time. So now coming to stage 2, yes, it is all about how we perform, how we carry out our personality, and how we behave. Yeah, so in my psychology, coming to my 4th attempt psychology, I did clearly, basically I started focusing on my quality of what I want to write. So my stories were pretty much basic, and it just helped me to focus more on what I think about it. So it's about how I write the SRT and how it goes ahead. So this helped me in giving a clear insight how I have to take it up, and that helped me in psychology. Now coming to how I learned about psychology from our academy.